Hey Grant, what are you eating?
Goldfish?
Some type of hippie organic granola bar? Do you also want some water? Any interest?
Okay, there's more. I guess that's what you're looking around for. Yeah, here you go. You can eat the non-chocolate one last.
Oh!
Mom.
You didn't eat it last.
Stuff your face.
Look at that cheek.
That's after eating so much.
Can we take a break and have some water? Thank you. Just chew what's in our mouth and we'll do some more. Or chew what's in your hands.
I want to grab the water, but I want to hold the goldfish. I don't want my mouth to be completely full. And I want more.
There you go. That was just a straight chocolate chip you ate there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Good job.
Mm-hmm.